Have you ever wondered how to play fast and clean runs on guitar? Like this? Don't worry about it. Today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know to achieve that goal. Showreel! Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. In today's episode, I'm going to talk about playing extremely clean and fast runs on guitar. So, first of all, I'm going to divide this lesson in steps. So, first of all, when you play fast and clean, there's some basics involved. For example, your right hand. With your right hand, you got to improve your picking technique. For example, in the example we're going to see today, we're going to be working on our right hand as well as the other parts of the exercise, of course. So, first of all, you need to have a good angle so you don't make noisy transitions between strings. For example, in this case, I'm going to play B major. So, first of all, you're going to see there in the other camera that I'm not parallel. My pick, it's not parallel to the string. It's not hidden this way. It's hidden in an angle, like that. So that will help me, enable me to have less resistance to go from string to string. So you gotta do, for example, in this case, the example is. I'm gonna do the first part of it. You can see there. So you're doing this, and you have an angle there. That will help you to do very, very precise and very fluid transitions between strings. Then the second thing that you need to be aware of is palm muting. So, for example, if I play it openly, you will see that. Well, it sounded clean, but if you do this, you put your palm on top of the strings, you will have this effect. You have like a more precise sound. You see, it has more definition than. Of course, with practice, you will develop sensitivity, so where you can mute more or less, according to what you want to hear. And third, you need to have synchronicity in both hands. So, for example, today with this exercise, we're going to be working both hands. So, first of all, you have to slow down and, of course, have the discipline to work with this. So you will set a metronome on the speed that you're comfortable, and you're going to be working very slowly each one of the steps of the exercise. For example, in this case, we're going to be focusing on synchronizing both hands, playing with a precise angle, and palm muting, so we don't have an unwanted noise. All right, so it's going to be like this. All right? So you're going to start like that. Once you're comfortable with that, you're going to start making it faster and faster and faster. All right? Then the other thing, with your left hand, try to do as minimal movement as possible. When I mean movement, it's like not to lift too much your fingers out of the fretboard. Try to do it into a minimum. And the other thing is, try to apply less energy. Don't be like pressing too hard. You know, it's not going to sound good. It has basically what you need to achieve here. The goal is to be as relaxed as possible, both hands, so you can have control and precision. The other thing you can do is to set up your tone, your EQ when you're soloing, that is precise. Precise in the sense of it stands out, it's not noisy, just the right amount of gain so you sound clean as well. If you have too much gain, it's going to make your playing too noisy. I mean extremely, when you have a lot of gain, extreme levels of gain. Right? Too much treble too is going to make it like too noisy, too unbearable, and too pinchy. And the other thing, maybe some guitar players out there are playing with no mid-range, no treble, just bass. Yeah, that will make your sound muddy as well. So there are a lot of factors in there. All right? I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I did. And don't forget to subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and leave your comments down below. And remember, if you want to dig deeper and have private lessons with me, contact me on my email that you will find in the description of this video. See you in another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me, Show Real.